Tired of playing phone tag with your GP just to book an appointment? There's a faster way. First, head to the NHS website. Just type NHS into your search bar. The link you're looking for should be the first one. Once you're on the homepage, find the Services Near You section. Type GP into the search bar and enter your postcode. You'll see a list of GP practices near you. Select your GP practice from the list. This will take you to your GP practice's website. Look for a button or link that says Book Appointment, Online Services, or something similar. It might require you to register for online services first if you haven't already. Follow the instructions to log in or register. Once logged in, you should see a calendar or list of available appointment slots. Select a time and date that works for you. Finally, confirm your appointment details. You should receive a confirmation email or text message. And that's it. You've successfully booked your GP appointment online, skipping the phone queue.